Alright, today we're going to do a video walkthrough of this 2013 Dutchman Komfort. It's the 3650 FFL twin axle automatic awning. This one has 5 slides, 2 on this side. Frameless windows. And then the 3 slides on this side. Sorry for the mess. Your valves and everything are on this side. You got your front, your pass-through storage. In there, nice big storage. Your central vac, Dirt Devil there. 2 propane tanks. One 30-pound on this side, one on the other. This does have a 5500 watt propane generator. This is just the other side of the pass-through storage. So we like this floor plan. Right there's our central vac right there. We like this floor plan though mostly for the front living room. Stone fireplace in there, big screen TV, you got your built-ins. These you're not able to replace with other furniture, unfortunately, because as you can see, they are about a foot off the ground, the slide. So we were going to replace them, but we decided to just reupholster. Ceiling fan, these do shut right here on each side to be able to close this off as a room. Your kitchen area, this pulls out, does have a leaf in it. Another cool feature, it's like a pulled out little bar area with your outlet. You can store your toaster oven or whatever you want in there. Your sink, microwave. One thing we don't like about this is it doesn't have the oven in it, but you could always take that out, put one in there. Another nice feature, double freezer fridge combo, 2 ACs. So the one actually in front of this is backwards. That is not the ducted AC, that's just dumps there. The one that's ducted is the one in the bedroom. Washer dryer hookup in here. You could put a stackable or a 2-in-1. We actually were thinking putting a dishwasher on bottom, 2-in-1 on top, and you would just drain it in there because we're that close to the kitchen. So if you wanted, one thing that's nice, it does have glass inserts in the cabinetry. Another thing about this setup we really like is the shower being in the back. Look how tall the roof is. So I mean that's a good probably 8 foot. You don't have to hunch. And in the bedroom you got 2 slides in here built in. And then actually in the back too you have a king size bed. So the bedroom having 2 slides, I don't know if you can see, but you got quite a bit of space. And then this AC is the ducted one, so it'll go through all the ducts. But it's just a really nice 5th wheel, nicely made. There's a few little things that we would change, but for the most part it's just a great floor plan.